Chia seeds, tiny, humble, and power-packed, have quietly transitioned from ancient dietary staples to modern nutritional superstars. In recent years, health enthusiasts, nutritionists, athletes, and food lovers have all found themselves drawn to these small seeds, searching for ways to enhance their diets and transform their well-being. As the world pivots toward more conscious eating, chia seeds hold a distinct and noteworthy place in the conversation about superfoods, thanks to their stellar nutrient profile and their multitude of remarkable health benefits. Let's embark on a deep exploration of chia seeds, uncovering their origins, nutritional secrets, and the profound ways they can upgrade your health and daily lifestyle. Prepare to be inspired to add this mighty superfood to your pantry and, most importantly, to your daily plate. To truly appreciate chia seeds, it helps to begin at the beginning, with their history and origins. Chia seeds are derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, a flowering member of the mint family native to Central and South America. Long before they found their way into health food stores and Instagram photos, chia seeds were revered by ancient civilizations. The Aztecs and Mayans relied on chia seeds as a vital source of energy, stamina, and strength, consuming them before battles or long journeys. In fact, the word chia translates to strength in the Mayan language, a testament to just how valued these seeds were by cultures past. Their power lies not merely in legend, but in science, a fact that has only become clearer with modern research. Chia seeds are tiny, measuring just about 2 millimeters in diameter, and yet they are one of nature's most concentrated sources of vital nutrients. They possess a mild, nutty flavor, making them extraordinarily versatile and able to blend seamlessly into both sweet and savory recipes. But it's what's inside that matters most. Let's take a closer look at the exceptional nutritional profile that makes chia seeds so special. At the forefront, chia seeds are a powerhouse of dietary fiber. Just a single ounce, approximately 2 tablespoons, contains nearly 10 grams of fiber. This is a significant portion of your daily recommended intake, and it's an asset for several reasons. Dietary fiber is pivotal for digestion. It fuels healthy gut bacteria, adds bulk to stool, and ensures regular, comfortable bowel movements. Adequate fiber intake is linked to lower risks of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease, and it helps curb cravings by keeping you full after meals. For people seeking weight management or improved digestive health, chia seeds provide one of the most convenient and delicious ways to meet your fiber goals. Next, chia seeds stand out as one of the most concentrated plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, most notably alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are essential fats that the body cannot make on its own, and they play critical roles in reducing inflammation, supporting cardiovascular health, and improving brain function. While most people associate omega-3s with fatty fish, chia seeds offer an excellent vegan and vegetarian-friendly alternative that can help fill a gap in plant-based diets. Chia seeds are also surprisingly rich in high-quality plant protein, providing about 5 grams per ounce. Unlike most other plant foods, they contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Protein is vital not just for building and repairing muscle, but for bolstering immunity, supporting hormone function, and maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. For those following vegan or vegetarian lifestyles, or anyone simply seeking more nutritious protein sources, chia seeds shine. Beyond the big three of fiber, omega-3s, and protein, chia seeds boast a rich spectrum of antioxidants. These include compounds like quercetin, kaempferol, and chlorogenic acid, which fight against free radical damage and protect the body's cells from oxidative stress. Antioxidants are key in slowing the aging process, supporting skin health, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including cancers. Their mineral profile is equally impressive. Chia seeds deliver robust doses of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, all crucial for strong bones, efficient muscle function, and optimal hydration. For people who are lactose intolerant, vegan, or simply striving for more dairy-free calcium sources, chia seeds have undeniable appeal. Other nutrients, including iron, zinc, and B vitamins, further enhance their status as a thoroughly complete superfood. With such an array of nutrients crammed into each tiny seed, it's no wonder chia seeds can have a transformative effect on health. Let's dig deeper into the science-backed benefits you can expect when you make chia seeds a regular part of your culinary routine. One of the most celebrated benefits of chia seeds is their contribution to weight management. The abundant fiber they offer absorbs many times its weight in water, forming a gel-like texture in your stomach that physically expands, helping you feel full and satisfied for longer. This can naturally suppress appetite, deter mindless snacking, and encourage a healthy caloric intake, key components for sustainable weight loss or maintenance. But chia seeds don't just promote satiety. Their slow-release carbohydrates also stabilize blood sugar by preventing the spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings and energy dips. The benefits of chia seeds extend powerfully to heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids present in these seeds have proven benefits for cardiovascular wellness. They lower harmful LDL cholesterol, raise protective HDL cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and curb systemic inflammation, a major contributor to heart disease. Several studies have found correlations between regular chia seed consumption and improved cholesterol profiles and reduced risk factors for heart attacks and strokes. As such, for anyone seeking to shield their heart and circulatory system, chia seeds are a logical dietary addition. Digestion, often overlooked, is a cornerstone of overall well-being, and chia seeds excel in this area. Their soluble fiber not only prevents and relieves constipation, but also serves as prebiotic nourishment for the good bacteria living in your gut. A healthier gut is linked to improved immune function, better mood and mental clarity, and even a reduced risk of certain diseases. By regularly consuming chia seeds, you support a thriving and resilient digestive tract. Chia seeds are also a boon for bone health. Just 2 tablespoons deliver nearly 20% of your daily calcium needs, along with significant amounts of magnesium and phosphorus, minerals that work in synergy to maintain dense, resilient bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. For those who cannot or do not consume dairy, chia seeds fill a crucial dietary gap. Brain health, another crucial area, is fortified by the omega-3 content of chia seeds. Omega-3s are necessary for optimal brain function, supporting the structure of nerve cells, boosting memory, and helping prevent cognitive decline. Coupled with their antioxidants, which help limit damage to brain cells, chia seeds have become a highly recommended food for students, professionals, and older adults alike. Chia seeds energize and sustain the body thanks to their ideal blend of protein, healthy fat, and complex carbohydrates. They provide steady, long-lasting fuel, making them a favorite among athletes and anyone with demanding days. The ancient Aztecs were certainly onto something when they consumed chia before battle or expeditions, relying on this natural, slow-burn vitality that modern sports research now endorses. Another lesser-discussed but equally important benefit of chia seeds is their ability to assist in maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Their soluble fiber forms a gel in the digestive tract, slowing down digestion and resulting in a gentler, more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. For people with prediabetes, diabetes, or simply those seeking to even out their energy throughout the day, chia seeds can be an invaluable ally. Having explored the science and the benefits, you may now be wondering how to make chia seeds a daily habit. The beauty of chia seeds lies in their versatility. They can be eaten raw, soaked, ground, or cooked, and their mild flavor allows them to blend seamlessly into both simple and more elaborate meals. One of the most widespread uses is chia pudding. Prepare it by mixing chia seeds with your favorite milk, dairy, or plant-based, some natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and allow it to sit in the refrigerator overnight. By morning, the seeds will have soaked up the liquid and transformed into a creamy, satisfying treat, ideal for breakfast, dessert, or a post-workout snack. Top with fresh fruit, nuts, or spices to suit your taste. Smoothies present another effortless entry point. Simply toss a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds into your blender, along with fruit, greens, protein, and liquid. The seeds will thicken the drink slightly while boosting its nutritional density, all without introducing any unwanted flavor. Bakers can sneak chia seeds into muffins, pancakes, breads, and cookies for an added nutritional punch and subtle crunch. Because chia seeds can absorb many times their own weight in liquid, they make excellent egg replacers in vegan recipes. Just combine 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water, let it sit until it forms a gel, and use in place of 1 egg in most baked goods. For those who enjoy salads and grain bowls, scattering a spoonful of chia seeds on top adds both texture and trace minerals. They can be sprinkled over yogurt, oatmeal, cottage cheese, or even soups for added thickness and nutritional value. A simple yet invigorating option is chia water. In a glass, mix chia seeds with water and allow them to swell for 10 to 15 minutes, then add a splash of lemon or lime for flavor. This drink offers hydration, digestive aid, and a gentle energy boost all in one. No matter how you choose to enjoy them, the important thing is consistency. While a single serving offers impressive benefits, it's regular consumption that leads to meaningful improvements in health and well-being. And because chia seeds carry minimal flavor and can be worked into so many aspects of your diet, building a daily habit is not only easy, but also enjoyable. As we conclude, remember that health transformations are built on small, daily choices. Chia seeds are not a magic bullet, but they are truly one of the easiest and most effective dietary upgrades you can make. Offering exceptional nutrition in every tiny bite, you're not just sprinkling seeds into your breakfast or snack. You're fueling your body with premium building blocks for lasting energy, resilience, and vitality. With their rich ancestry, remarkable body-fueling ingredients, and effortless adaptability, chia seeds have earned their place as a superfood for life. Their story is the perfect illustration of how simple, natural foods can yield extraordinary results. Whether you're seeking to lose weight, gain muscle, support your heart, boost your mind, or simply improve your overall well-being, chia seeds invite you to nourish your body the way nature intended. So venture into your kitchen with curiosity and intention. Experiment with chia puddings, supercharge your smoothies, invigorate your baked goods, and brighten up your salads. Invite this ancient wonder seed into your meals and witness the surprising, delightful, and transformative benefits for yourself. In every meal, with every spoonful, chia seeds will remind you, wellness is indeed in the details. Make them your healthy eating ally and step forward confidently on your journey toward a vibrant, energetic, and healthier you.